Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. I hope you guys are doing well. Well, today I have my very first friend mail. So if you're interested in seeing who sent it to me and what's inside, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. And if this is your first time here, welcome. And if you like this type of content, which is opening friend mails now, it's my very first one, hauls, unboxings, and anything lifestyle, please do consider subscribing and please hit the like button before you leave. And so, my beautiful wildflowers, I did get my very first friend mail, and this comes from Stephanie, and she is known as the Opinionated Horsewoman. And I will go ahead and put her picture right here, or right here, okay? And so, anyway, I met her through YouTube, of course, and she's a great fellow YouTuber, and she has, over 1,500 subscribers, and she has a pretty good family growing there. And so, anyway, I was reaching out to her with a couple of questions, and she was kind enough to really respond to me, and then, she asked me if I would give her my address so she can add me on a friend mail. And so we exchanged addresses and we started sending friend mail, and then I got my very first one from anybody, actually. So I'm really excited about this. And I've been really wanting to open this, but we wanted to collaborate on this so that way, and I sent her something as well, and so that way she would have something to open as well. And so it was kind of, it's like an exchange, I guess, exchange collaboration, and it's very interesting. And so I know she's a very, very busy woman, and she does, Opinionated Horsewoman, so she has something to do with horses, and she does have some retired horses on that she cares for. And so and I know she's very busy, but she's always kind enough to watch my videos, respond, ask questions. And so and her content is great. And she actually recently introduced me to a couple of things, and that is one of the boxes she just recently opened. I have to look it up again, but one of the things that I did subscribe to, because I never heard of it, is for makeup brushes. And it's out of a institute and down in LA, Los Angeles, and it's with Hank and Henry. So and I'll be unboxing those as soon as I get it. So, this is great because I never even heard of that. So who knew, right? So anyhow, so let's get it opened. And I'm also going to be joining the Mask Monday ladies, and I will be doing a mask on Monday with them as well. So, and that was an invite directly from Stephanie. And thank you so much, Stephanie. It means a lot to me that, I've been asked and been included in collaborations, because it is, sometimes you just watch other people collaborate and go, I want friends. So anyway, so it's actually not that sad, but Anyway, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and open this envelope, and I've been dying to know what's in here because I've had it for a couple of days now trying to organize myself. Okay, and, there's several things in here. Okay, and I don't want to show you my address. And, a couple of masks. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see. I want to read what she has to say. Aw. Look at this. And she loves stickers, by the way. And so I see that she puts stickers on her thing. So let's see. Oh, so pretty. Looks so springy. I love this. I have like cards. You don't see it around my Hollywood mirrors. And so I'm going to go ahead and add this to my collection here. Oh my gosh, look at this. She put stickers in here. Oh, that is so cute. There's the stickers of lipstick, flowers, and be happy. Okay, great. You know what? I journal on a daily basis, so these come in handy. Let's see what she had to say. Good morning, Alexis. I'm so happy we have connected on YouTube. Here are a few masks for some MML fun. We can always do a few fun collabs. I always enjoy sending few stickers in my friend mail. Keep up the great videos. Love ya, Stephanie, Opinionated Horsewoman. Aw, Stephanie, thank you so much and love you back. And aw, she even decorated it. You know, these little touches mean so much to me. I'm like tearing up here. Because especially now in this, you know, environment of COVID, I mean, we're so disconnected from people, and things like this, gestures like this just mean the world to me. And, you know, knowing that there's still humanity and people actually care for other people. And so, yeah, thank you so much, Stephanie. This means so much. And so let's see what kind of, oh, she actually sent me 3 masks. Okay, Master Lab. Centrella Azerica, Intensive Soothing Care. Hey, does this look familiar to you guys? Actually, you haven't seen my mask video yet, my subscription. It has something like this, and I was just saying how much I love this aesthetic of, you know, this is like the old-timey nursing, the IV bottles instead of the bags that they have now. And so this looks like intensive soothing care, and I like soothing masks. And actually, this is, yeah, very nice. And avocado collagen mask, this too, wow. That's weird because the video that I've already created, I think I should come up soon. It has, you know, these similarities. That's funny. She must have been, wow. Yeah, she must have been reading my mind. She must have been channeling me at the time she sent these. So avocado collagen mask, and this is also nourishing, refreshing, and vitalizing. And I love these type, especially avocado, because there's really good enzymes in there and omega fats. That's really good for you. And so, yeah. And this is all made in Korea, which is they make the best masks. And that's where I really like them from there. And then the last one here is Lemon Mask Sheet. Okay. And this is also refreshing and brightening. So, okay. Oh, these are perfect. I can add these to my collection and just use them. But now I have, you know, which one do I use first? Oh, gosh. Well, I'm going to have to think about that and see how my skin feels tomorrow for the Monday masking. So, yeah, okay. Great. Well, you guys, this was just a really quick video on my very first friend mail. And so anyway, thank you so much again, Stephanie. And for all of you that are watching, I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope it put a little bit of happiness in your heart, knowing that there are people out there that care about people. And that, you know, the message here is that, you know, you don't have to be in the same room with a person physically, but, you know, you can still be friends, you can still be kind, you can still reach out, okay? So if you haven't reached out to that somebody, or you have a friend that you haven't reached out to in a long time because of this environment, think about it, because you could really make their day. I know this made my day, definitely. So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you have a good rest of the day, have a good night, have a good week, have a good weekend, regardless, whenever you're watching this. But always remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.